let us see share. In this topic, we see the point capital, share, shareholder, stock exchange, face value, market value, and dividend. So first we see capital. What is meant by capital? Capital means amount required to start a company is called capital. Amount required to start a company. Amount required to start a company, that is called a capital. Now share means a share is the smallest unit of the capital. Share means smallest unit of the capital. Share is the smallest unit of the capital. Then shareholder means a person who owns the share. A person who owns the share. A person who owns the share, that is called as shareholder. A person who owns the share, that is called as shareholder. Then stock exchange. Stock exchange means it is the place where buying and selling of share takes place. It is the place where buying and selling of share takes place. That is called as stock exchange. It is also called as share market, equity market, capital market. It is also called as share market, equity market, capital market, or stock market. Then next term, that is face value. Face value means the value printed on the share certificate. Value printed on the share certificate. Value printed on the share certificate, that is face value. And market value means the price at which the shares are sold or purchased. The price at which the shares are sold or purchased. The price at which the shares are sold or purchased, that is called as the market value. It is called as the market value. The price at which the shares are sold or purchased in the stock market, that is called as the market value. Now dividend. Dividend means the part of annual profit of a company which is distributed per share among the shareholders. The part of annual profit of a company which is distributed per share among the shareholders, that is called as a dividend. Now comparison of face value and market value. Comparison of face value and market value. If market value is greater than face value, market value is greater than face value, then share is at premium. Then share is at premium. Second, if market value is equal to face value, if market value is equal to face value, then share is at par. Then the share is at par. Third, if market value is less than face value, if market value is less than face value, then the share is at discount. Then the share is at discount. Now sum invested. Sum invested means number of share into market value. Number of share into market value. Rate of return. That is ROR. Rate of return means total dividend upon sum invested into 100. Total dividend upon sum invested into 100. You see practice set 4.3. Complete the table. First, face value rupees 100, share is at par, and market value. We have to find market value. So in first sub question, face value rupees 100, market value we don't know, and condition is share is at par. When share is at par, then face value is equal to market value. But face value is rupees 100, therefore market value is rupees 100. Now in second condition, share is at premium. Therefore market value is greater than face value. Here market value rupees 575 and premium rupees 500. Therefore market value is equal to face value plus premium. And here market value is 575. We don't know face value, plus premium rupees 500. Therefore face value is equal to 575 minus 500. ये साइड में है तो माइनस होता है, तो फेस वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू रुपीज 75. Now third condition, face value rupees 10, market value rupees 5. Here face value is greater than market value. Therefore share is at discount. Therefore market value is equal to face value minus discount. Therefore market value 5, face value 10 minus discount. Therefore discount is equal to 10 minus 5, that is rupees 5. Discount is rupees 5.